Hey there, tech heads. Welcome back to TechPhD, where we talk about everything tech for everyone. And we got a bunch of new news recently regarding Google's next smartphone, the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, you heard me right. There is going to be two models of the Google Pixel 6, being the 6 and the 6 Pro. And the 6 Pro is going to be Google's first time of using a Pro slogan with one of their devices. So what exactly do we know about these devices, and what exactly did Google change or improve from the Google Pixel 5? Let's get right into it. So starting off with the biggest and most noticeable change, we've got the design. Google seems to have adopted a Samsung-like design with more squared off corners and a hole punch camera in the middle, as opposed to the left corner as seen in the Pixel 4a and Pixel 5. From the leaks, we can see that both the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro seems to sport an in-display fingerprint sensor as well, most likely the new generation of ultrasonic fingerprint sensors. Hopefully, it'll have a larger sensor size and will be more responsive than the ones we've gotten so far. Turning the device around, we're met with a dual camera system on the regular Pixel 6 and a triple camera system on the Pro model, a first in Google's Pixel series. The dual cameras on the Pixel 6 are the regular wide angle and ultra wide lens, and then an extra telephoto lens was added to the Pixel 6 Pro. Google is also rumored to be using Samsung sensors for the camera hardware. The camera module seems to be pretty large as well, as it's arranged in a horizontal layout like the Galaxy S10, but it has a protruding camera bump reminiscent of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Still taking a look at the back, we can see the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro have also got a sort of two-tone finish, with the camera bump acting as a demarcation. This is just the first look though, and the final design will probably look a bit different from this. Big shout out to John Prosser from FPT or Front Page Tech for all of the renders that you're seeing in this video. Google seems to be going back to their old blueprints, as the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are rumored to be coming with flagship processors, unlike the Pixel 5, which came with an upper mid-range chipset. And not just any flagship processors, but Google's own in-house system on a chip, based on Samsung's 5nm architecture, which is pretty exciting. My friend Adam from Adam Reviews Tech made a video about this a while back, so please make sure to check it out. Google is also said to be testing ultra-wideband technology on the Pixel 6 Pro, which is codenamed Raven, and thanks to the ultra-wideband technology, the Pixel 6 devices will be compatible with the recent smart trackers like the iPhones are with the AirTags and the Galaxy devices are with the Galaxy Smart Tags. Going back to the performance for a little bit, notorious leakster Max Weinbach also tweeted that the specs of the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are going to surprise everyone, which means that it is probably going to come with some really beefed up performance from last year's Pixel 5. But anyway, let me know what you think about the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro in the comment section right below the like button. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe. And with that said, you stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask as always, and I'll catch you in another TechPhD production. Peace.